this activity will help you get a feel for what we're talking about, using a lever to feel mechanical advantage. So I've got a ruler, mine's a plastic ruler, but any flat piece of material that's this shape will work well. You could even use your yardstick if you need to, but that's a little long for this activity, but it would work just fine. And prop one end up on a book, that's going to be our pivot point, and put a finger or two on the other side so you can just get a feel for what this is like. And then you're going to put some kind of a weight, I've got a can here of food, close to the pivot point. And you're going to lift up and down on it and get a feel for the force required from your fingers to move that up and down. And then you're going to move it out and just think about what it feels like, what force is required from your fingers now to move it up and down. And then you'll move it out to the end and move it up and down, and you'll get a feel for that force required to move it up and down. And then I want you to think about how far does the can move up and down, and how far are your fingers moving up and down here, and what does it feel like? And then how far does the can move up and down here compared to your fingers, and what does it feel like? And here, how far is the can moving up and down compared to your fingers, and what does it feel like? So that's what this little exercise is about. I like to use the book instead of the edge of a table because your heavy object is probably going to fall off at some point, and you don't want it to fall all the way to the floor and damage your floor. So using a book like this works really well.